If you want to permanently delete your Temu account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the settings or account management option. Step 3. Find account deletion option. In the account settings menu, scroll down to find the option for account deletion or deactivation. This may be labeled as delete account or close account. Step 4. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your account. You may need to enter your password or provide additional verification to proceed. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After submitting your deletion request, check your email or app notifications for confirmation message from Temu. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Temu account will be permanently deleted. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.